Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to thank you guys so much for all the love and support that I got on my previous video. I truly really appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much. Today I decided to make a kind of like how I style my hair using the Revlon, I believe it's called, sorry, I just popped up. It's the Revlon Style One Step Hair Dryer and Volumizer. I got mine on sale on Target quite a while ago. I've been using this a little bit more frequent, so what my looks doesn't look like the best, but this is what it looks like. It has the brand here, it has the settings in here, it has off cool, low, and high, I think it is. Yeah, so essentially in the video that I'm going to be showing you guys is kind of how I use it my hair as much, but I feel like I wanted to show you guys kind of how I do it when I would go to work or when I would go out. I usually like my hair super slick, straight down, like slick down, but I've been really enjoying kind of like my natural hair. So today I really didn't use the flat iron as much as I usually do, so I definitely use this to dry my hair completely. And during the making of the video, I did have to go back to work because I was on lunch, and when I got off of work I fell asleep and then I woke up and then I restyled up my hair again. So it's still fresh, clean hair. I do just want to let you guys know that usually I like to style my hair the very next day. And we have a guest. This is my son Ricardo. Yes, baby. Come, baby. Here.
I like your outfit.
Thank you. You take to there. He's still in the frame, guys. Just slowly waiting for my child to leave. Thank you. They also I know that right now, I was looking at the Target website, it retails for $56.99. I believe I got this for 40 bucks because it was on sale when I got it, and I loved it. I love it ever since I purchased it. I think it's such a really good purchase. I just want to definitely give you a small disclosure. I do have really frizzy hair, and you will see in the video this tool makes my hair be 10 times bigger than what it can be. I'm okay with that. I mean, I've learned to deal with my hair being big over time. It doesn't bother me as it used to. Growing up, I struggled a lot with my hair. I just couldn't learn how to style it, and that was just because I was using the wrong products in my hair. Frequently is when I started really taking care of my hair, and that's because I have a really dry scalp. I started using research. Definitely wear this out. It's very natural. I did use a little bit of my hair strainer again on the video. I'm not really sure if you can hear it that much, but this strainer that I got here, this is from Marshall's. I don't again spend a lot of money on hair tools because not on hair tools, but specifically on hair strainers. I've always had the worst luck with my hair strainers. I've owned a lot of Cheese, I owned a lot of Hot Tool products, and I don't know if it's just me who doesn't know how to take care of them, but they've never really lasted me that long. And I also have the hair strainer by Numi. I would say that hair strainer lasted me, and I still currently have it. I just tend to gravitate with something more smaller like this. So this is just kind of what I like. Personally, again, this is from Marshall's. This literally cost me $25. I will try to find it on Amazon if I can possibly find it, but again, I don't really care for strainers that much, like the brand. The only thing I do care for is this, because this, I thought it was such a nice investment. My friend actually had it, and I saw that she owned it, and after a while, like, I didn't really pay attention to it, and then I started seeing reviews on it, and one of my favorite YouTubers here, Bianca Franco, did a video on it a long time ago, and then I was like, you know what, like, I need to get my hands on that. And so I went out, and luckily the time that I wanted, I remember it was on sale. Like I said, it was on sale for 40 bucks. I bought it through Target. It was way more cheaper than what it is now. Definitely stick around for the Ulta sales. They tend to have sales on their Hot Tools, so that's kind of, I would definitely recommend using that, or unless you got the $56 to splurge, then honey, then go ahead. We're finally done with that process. This is what my hair looks like after using faster, and it kind of strains the hair, so when I go back in with the strainer, it's just touching up the frizz. And what I like to actually use after just straining my hair, blow drying down my hair with that styler, I like to use this from Made. It works really well for me. I just put a small amount. I really literally that much, and I like to distribute it through the hair, and then mostly focus in the middle of the hair, not on the scalp either, because that's not where I like to put. Well, I just look a little rough, and then whatever is left in my hand, I just kind of run it through to make it not frizz. But this is pretty much my hair. I know it's huge, and like I said, I get a lot of people when I wear my hair curly. People always tell me my hair is huge, and I'm aware of that. I'm not mad about when people tell me that, but after a while it does get annoying because people are like, oh my god, your hair is so big. This is why I personally don't like my hair natural. You can wear whatever you want with your hair. This is just my preference. I've always liked straight hair better. I like to go in with a little bit of this Attribution hair. I know that we already put some, but I just like to put that protection into my hair just in case, because why not? And guys, fast forward this part because you guys don't need to do this. I'll show you kind of how I add some curls to my hair and to make it look a little bit more presentable to go out. Okay. guys, I hope you guys stuck around to the end of the video. I did just quickly want to say a disclaimer. Again, this is just the way I do things. This does not have to specifically work for you. This works strictly for me. But if you did pick up any of the stuff that you would like to try, let me know in the comments below if you do. If not, let me know in my Instagram. Don't forget to follow me there at Allthingsmayramora. So again, thank you guys so much for watching. I really always appreciate you guys, and thank you guys so for the love and support on my previous video. I really do appreciate it, guys. Thank you so much.